the whole of last week, we have one IPO after the other, and the mega billion-dollar SBI Life IPO, of course, is something that's everyone's keeping their eyes on, and it has kicked off today. Promoter SBI will be all set to offload nearly an 8% stake, which of course is being called as the biggest IPO to hit the streets in 7 years. Poonam joins us with more details on this IPO. Poonam?
That's right. In fact, this would be more than $1 billion issue in the last 7 years. In fact, if you look at the SBI Life, yes, there is a likelihood of some good amount of interest there. In fact, if you look at the response itself from the anchor investors, it has been pretty encouraging. Nearly around 2,200 odd crores have been raised by the anchor investors across the board, from the FIIs to domestic life insurance companies to the top notch of the domestic mutual funds have been key anchor investors. But coming to valuations, slightly expensive or fairly priced is what the issue is. If you look at SBI Life, it's going to be valued at nearly around 70,000 crore at the upper band of the market cap, which is close to around 4.2x FY17 price to embedded book value, slightly higher than 3.7x of ICICI Pru and Max Financial, which trades at nearly around 3.4x. But most of the brokerages have stated a subscribe with a slightly longer term perspective. SBI Life is indeed the highest private market share in terms of the new business premium. In fact, if you look at just the new business premium growth itself for FY17, it is the highest at 43%, a 3-year CAGR of close to around 26 odd percent. Their overall total premium market share stands high at 18 odd percent. In fact, very high VNB margins as well at 15.4%. Return in terms of the embedded value also stands pretty much healthy at 23%. It is one of the lowest cost life insurer with a total cost of 11.6% versus its peer cost, which stands at nearly around 14 to 24 odd percent. Pretty much diversified product mix. One of the key important parameter is SBI is the largest bank assurance partner. Do know that distribution